Hi, good afternoon. My name is Anupam Gambhir. I am from Stair Experts. We're standing inside Sushant Lok Phase 1. This location is in the heart of the city, Gurugram region. This connects you to the main golf course road, the MG road, the Hooda City Centre, the Supermart 1 and the Supermart 2. So this is a beautiful location that we're shooting today. The configuration of the house is 370 square yards, which is a 4-bedroom hall kitchen. Let's get started with the configuration of the house. The place where I have just entered, this is the formal living space of the house. Towards my left you see a plain wall. This is left for the customization. The provisioning for the air conditioning system is given this way. Over that side as well, you can place 2 air conditioning systems inside your formal living space. This specific location, if I have to discuss, I probably can get a channel made here and I can do most of my discussions over a period of time. That too, my privacy will be maintained. When I talk about the ceiling design, this has an engineered wood with diamond cut glass on the ceiling, and this also has LED lights. This is a spacing for the fan. ये पूरा का पूरा आपका देखेंगे आप, you've got Italian on the surface. पूरा का सीलिंग डिज़ाइन आपका स्क्वायर शेप में सीलिंग डिज़ाइन है, which is lifted 1 level below the ceiling height of the house, and you have the modular switches. This is the huge glass size. This is a small balcony which the developer has given to you in the front. That's the place for the external air conditioning system where you can place it. That's your sensor light. आपका wall lamp है वो. This is the glass part. This is a granite top throughout the ceiling. This is a small balcony given to you. This UPVC door and window will help the natural sunlight to flow inside your house. Probably I'll ask my colleague to showcase you the view out here, how the surroundings are going to look like. Just bang opposite to your home, you've got the trees placing. This is the balcony space that you'll be sharing in common with the first bedroom of the house. This is the placing for the air conditioning system. That's the all metal work. सारा बाहर में textured paint है, normal textured है, ज़्यादा hard textured नहीं कह सकते. ऊपर में आपका ceiling lights भी दी हुई हैं. This was about the formal living space of the house. This is a design given to you where you can hang your television system here in the center. This is all wooden, this is all engineered wood which is used here. Down you get the upholsteries and cabinetries, and you've got the drawer spaces. This has out here, if you'll see, यहाँ पर मैं wooden empanelment का design दिया हुआ है on the entrance of the formal living space. Now, this is the dining section of the house, the formal dining section. A table for 10 people can easily be placed here. ये आपका surveillance camera दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर, so that if somebody is coming up and down, you can watch. And this is specifically a door, which is the entrance door, which has glass design inbuilt. Now, that's the provisioning for the air conditioning system given to you. Let's cover up the first bedroom of the house. This is the first bedroom of the house. You've got Italian on the surface. You've got a normal wall back at me. The placing for your air conditioning system. A normal wooden console which has a square shape glass design, and the grouping done on the engineered wood as well. You've got the space to keep your stuff here and this way as well. This is also connected with the front balcony that we've showed you before. The only thing that I can mesmerize here is the view of the nature, and this is the balcony that we've showed you before. Ceiling की बात करूँ, normal ceiling design है इस पे. This is also connected with the washroom space inside. This is your complete closet section. You've got, this is a sensor operated mirror that you'll get. ये अभी it is not functioning. Just let me try. This is not functioning as of now. This will be done in the near future. ये आपको glass partition दिया हुआ है for the wet and the dry area. All the sanitary fittings are gonna be by Jaguar. Rain head लगा हुआ है. इधर wall mounted seat लगेगी आपकी. यहाँ पर आप एक पर्दा लगा सकते हैं, या इधर स्लाइडर चैनल भी लग सकता है. आपका गीजर की प्लेसिंग है. डिजाइनर टाइल्स ऑन दी वॉल्स and normal anti-skid on the surface. This is your bowl shaped vanity which has a natural stone and cabinetries down here. That's beautiful glass. This was about the first bedroom. This is the smallest bedroom of the house. I would want to consider this one as a study room for my kids. That's the provisioning for the air conditioning system. You've got the Italian on the surface. This is complete closet section. This is a small wooden panel जहाँ पर आपका LED television आप लगा सकते हैं. You're good to go. Ceiling design stays simple. इधर में आप fan install कर सकते हैं या chandelier एक लगा सकते हैं. Wooden design है, इसमें glass भी दिया हुआ है. This is yet it's getting made. This formal dining space is connected with the formal living space. The first bedroom, the smallest one, was the study, and this also has a powder room here. This is a powder room, a small space for your guest, for a visitor. यहाँ पर में आपका wall mount seat लगेगा. ये पूरा का पूरा आपका Italian stone है नीचे surface पे. टाइलिंग वर्क दिया हुआ है आपका वॉल्स पे. गीजर की प्रोविजनिंग है. you've got a sensor operated mirror, और यहाँ पर आपका ब्यूटीफुल वैनिटी लगेगा. that's your drainage vessel. वहाँ पर एग्जॉस्ट फैन की प्लेसिंग है. let's cover up the third bedroom of the house. This is the third bedroom of the house. You've got the Italian on the surface. Left wall sits empty for your customization. That way is the placing for the air conditioning system. This is your small closet section. यहाँ पर आप चाहें तो you can place a mirror and you can get these dressers as well. ये आपका wooden console है. अभी cover up करा हुआ है इसको ताकि गंदा ना हो. It's a beautiful wooden console, designer one. You've got cabinetries down. You've got the running shelf. Center you can place your television and you're good to go. Ceiling design stays simple and square. This is your washroom space. You have a beautiful glass which is again a sensor operated glass which will illuminate once you lighten up. This is a bowl shaped vanity with a natural stone countertop. Cabinetries down here. All the fittings are gonna be by Jaguar. This is a rain head given to you. Glass partition stand support for the wet and the dry area. On the surface you'll see anti-skid tiles. On the walls you'll see the designer tiles. That's the placing for the water geyser. Now this is also connected with the balcony at the back side. This is the backside balcony. On the surface you'll see this is a normal granite stone. This is covered for your safety measures. The externals of the air conditioning systems are gonna be placed here. ये पूरा आपका normal paint है. Again another external would be placed here. This has a tap area and the drainage vessel is given there. This was the third bedroom of the house. Let's cover the fourth one. This is the fourth bedroom of the house where we are at finally. Italian on the surface. This wall stays empty for your customization. Above me you see a space for the ceiling fan. The normal ceiling design which has an H shape. This is a wooden console, crafted designer one with the grouping, LED lights inside it. Now this has a running shelf with the drawer system. You've got the closet on your right hand side, a huge closet. This is your washroom space. Again this is getting ready. A bowl shaped vanity. A bowl-shaped vanity. This is your sensor-operated glass. Granite stone countertop with 2 cabinetries down. Wall-mounted commode seat is going to be positioned here. This is your running shelf for the upholsteries to keep. Exhaust fan space. Rain head. All these sanitary fittings are by Jaguar. This has tiling work on the surface and designer tiles on the walls. And a beautiful door. This is the spacing for your satellite wire and the air conditioning system there. Now this is the backside balcony. We've already showed you once, nothing much to showcase you. Just want to showcase you, this is the spacing for the geyser and this is all covered. This was the holloway area. This is the place where you can park your refrigerator, all Italian on the surface, a normal ceiling design. Place to keep your hob and chimney, space to keep your cabinetries, your materials out here. We'll drag it to keep your cutlery, multi-grains. This is your gas nozzle. That's your dual sink. This is a movable vessel by Jaguar. That's a small pocket window which has a mesh for the ventilation. You've got 2 spaces for the exhaust. A normal Italian, this is a normal granite countertop by AGL. That's a quartz marble, a stain-free, which has a durability for a longer period of time. This is the cabinetry space that you'll get out here. So this was all about the kitchen here. Probably time to sign off. Thank you so very much for watching. Anupam Gambhir from Stair Experts. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Don't forget to give us your thumbs up. And stay tuned for more and more videos. If you're looking in the near future, don't forget to click on the bell icon. That's gonna be a notification icon. And if you forget, you'll miss on our updates. Thank you. We'll see you around. Thanks. Bye.